In this video, I will show you how to add and use the Bollinger Bands indicator on TradingView. Using this indicator on TradingView is free, but you just have to sign up for a free account. You can use my affiliate link in the description to get a referral credit and a free trial of the premium features if you ever decide you want to upgrade. John Bollinger developed the Bollinger Bands in the 1980s, a period of great innovation in financial analysis. The bands themselves consist of 3 lines, the middle band, which is a 20-period simple moving average by default, and 2 outer bands that are standard deviations away from the middle line. The key concept here is that these bands adjust themselves as the market volatility changes. They widen during periods of high volatility and contract during times of low volatility. To add the Bollinger Bands to your TradingView chart, start by clicking on the Indicators button at the top left. Next, once this window appears, simply type Bollinger Bands into the search box. You will see the Bollinger Bands indicator from the list, which you can then click to add the indicator to your chart. Once the indicator is on your chart, it will look like this. You can edit the settings by going to the top left corner and hovering over the Bollinger Bands indicator name, which may use the BB abbreviation. When you hover over the name here, you will notice the gear icon pop up. Go ahead and click on this gear to bring up the Bollinger Bands indicator settings. From here you can edit the inputs, style, and visibility of the Bollinger Bands. The input section is where you can change the length of the middle line. Generally, the official inputs of the indicator use a 20-period SMA, so I would recommend leaving all of these settings as the default. When the price touches the upper band, it's often considered overbought, and when it touches the lower band, it's considered oversold. But remember, these are not hard and fast trading signals. They are indicators that need to be used in conjunction with other analysis tools. John Bollinger's contribution to technical analysis was so significant that he was awarded a U.S. trademark for the term Bollinger Bands in 2011. His work has provided traders with a means to assess market conditions in a way that was not possible before. That will do it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Remember, you can get a $15 referral credit toward your TradingView subscription and a free trial of the premium features if you use my link in the description to sign up for a free TradingView account.